So before I started with Code Institute, I was a retail manager for Iceland food chain. Just before I started with Code Institute, I had my first daughter, and I then began to realise that I was working lots and not at home a grand amount, and that needed to change. Coding did excite me, but I didn't think I had the sort of ability to do it as a full-time profession, especially without some sort of teaching or tutoring. And then found the Code Institute online courses, which I took in my spare time whilst working in that sector. The work-life balance that I've now managed to obtain is astronomical different to what I had. I have the weekends with my kids. I have the ability to go to the gym in the morning before work. I have the ability to work from home if I ever need to do something with my family and take my breaks around what's important to me. This career, in comparison to retail, it's not even night and day. It's just so different. It's quite hard to fathom why I was even where I was for such a length of time.